Yo, what's up, guys? Back to testing another horror game with Shan and Bobby. But today we have a chief guest with us. It's
Samar Kanuga.
alright. So, guys, subscribe to his channel. This is a collab. Subscribe to his channel. It's called Samar Kanuga. SAMARKANUGA. Subscribe to it. This is our guest. Alright. So, we're playing this game called Ophelia. So, yeah, let's test it out. Bob, join.
We have been recommended this game by many subscribers.
Yeah. Very well, all of you have been asking us to play it, so you know we're gonna play it. Let's go.
Like the last video, we're gonna be brutally honest.
Yeah.
Let's see how it
exactly.
goes.
Let's see how it goes. It better go better than before, because before we may have quit midway.
And
Let's
this
go.
one has like 100 million visits.
Yo, who is this guy? Yo, let's go. Guys, remember to subscribe to Summer, okay? This is a collab. He's our guest. Let's go. Alright, this game has flashing lights.
That's already bad for people who
Have epilepsy, but it's okay. They're warning us. So I give it a star. Alright, let us show you our fits for this horror game test. These are our fits, guys. For this horror game. For every horror game, we're gonna have a new fit. So stay tuned for that. Let's go.
Yeah.
Where do we go?
Oh, I have a toast.
Where do we go?
let's just see where
Click play, guys.
Let's click play.
Alright, chapter 1. Let me create a party. Chapter 1.
Yeah.
Story bases. What do we do? Story.
Story.
Alright, guys. So there's two modes, story and maze. We've done story because maze is not really that creative. So there's many chapters which show that famous. This game is pretty famous because they can make many chapters. There's 4 chapters in total, and there's a bonus chapter. So I guess it's a really famous game since we made so many chapters. So we're gonna open chapter 1. I've started. Summer and Bob join.
I saw the party. It's gone now.
no.
I think you went alone.
Oh hell! I left it. Wait a while, Bob make the party. Alright, so guys, we're gonna give our viewpoints based on what we think the game is gonna be like. Someone take it away.
Yeah.
We get to talk.
Oh, my bad.
What? Okay, so it seems our chief is a little autistic, so
I
someone.
didn't understand.
Okay, so someone you
Yeah.
have to. What do you? So we're gonna interview, because someone has more subscribers than us.
Oh.
So someone, what do
Yeah.
you think a person needs to gain more subscribers?
Maybe like create some good views with good videos with nice editing and yeah.
Alright, but this is kind of hypocritical because someone's video don't have any edits, so we don't know how to edit yet, guys. Alright, so these are our viewpoints, okay? First, Bob will let us know what he thinks the game is gonna be like.
I think the game will be more thriller than horror. I think there are many maps, so in the next videos we'll probably play more of this, or depends how good this game is.
Alright, good one, Bob, good one. Summer, what do you think?
Yeah, I think this game will be like a little overhyped, but we'll see. We'll test it out, and we'll see how it is.
Alright, so we don't really know much about this game, but based on what we can see is there's many modes, multiple chapters. So this shows us that this game was kind of popular. But I see that it's practically dead now because it has very few visits. We're starting chapter 1. The main basic point of the game is kind of normal. So we're gonna have to check what it's like. Okay, there's no captions.
There are several
That's a very
cases
bad
of
part.
disappearances
They should have kept
in
captions.
We will give you more information soon. But just prepare to go there from here a few hours.
What is this game called?
That's all. You can go.
Ophelia.
We also need to speak.
Okay, so it seems that we're stranded in some kind of road.
Chapter 1. Alright, so you can crouch. You have a gun. You have a flashlight.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ooh, this is a
Oh, that's good. There's no like stamina or something. We can like run.
yeah.
We can go. We can go.
Alright, sorry.
There's a barrier.
To go somewhere else. So I have to go in here.
What about the phone?
Alright, so for now, there's a weird ass pathway. Let's go.
Yeah.
Weird ass pathway. Okay, so we really didn't really understand a word of what the guy said at the start.
Phone's ringing.
Hello, can you hear me? I guess the director explained the situation. I know
It
you
is
are a very
captions, my
competent
bad.
investigator, but stay on your guard. This case is really strange. Let me know if you find anything.
Alright, so we finally got to know the lore where investigator. Because at the start we couldn't understand a word that dude was saying. So now the lore is basically that we're investigating this weird place, I guess. So that's not really that original. This many games use this core concept, but we'll have to see now. Sama, what do you think?
I think that we'll just see what happens in the game. I feel like this doesn't feel like horror, bro. Like we'll see what happens.
Maybe it doesn't feel like horror just because it's starting. Maybe it'll get progressively more
Scarier.
Yeah, scarier.
So well, it's not really on the thrilling side for now, like Bobby said.
Okay, guys. Now we're here in some dining room.
Oh, so we really don't know. I don't think this is supposed to be in it.
So basically, I have got.
Oh, there's a green
gem-
thing here.
yeah.
What is this supposed to be? I guess, guys, this is supposed to be a part of some puzzle. They're showing it us right now, but there's no lore whatsoever. So this makes it seem really stupid. Come on, guys, come on. So we really don't know what we have to do right now. Can we fall off? No, there's a barrier. Okay.
Thank you.
I think we'll just find how.
Oh wait, there's a chit in here. You found a page. Read it on lobby. Huh?
Oh, even I found red gem.
Oh, we have to find all. Okay.
Yeah,
fine.
I found the red one.
Okay.
Got some cash.
Oh, we have to find all colored fragments.
Alright.
Oh yeah, you can put
Oh,
it
yeah.
here.
Oh yeah, I got it.
I did.
Where do you have to
The
keep it,
yellow
guys?
one's remaining.
We have
Might be.
yellow and blue. That was
We need the
long.
red one to open this. We need the red one to open this.
Yeah, it's put in.
I found it.
You got
We have
it?
to use it to open this.
I don't know.
Why is it red then? Alright, so guys, for now, let me tell you my thoughts for right now. Game seems really basic. This colored fragment should, I don't think it show. It's related. I don't think it's related to anything in this game. I think it's just a really useless concept. Because what is the point of this if we're literally an investigator? I really don't get it. But it's fine. Let's see.
Oh, I got some money.
Yeah, hold on. Alright, so this money, this shows that this is a bit of a spending type of game.
Yeah.
Like where in the lobby you can probably buy more, like much better stuff. So this is like kind of a doors type of game, it seems. Like the concept of doors. And so I really can't find anything like here. Oh, there's another pathway.
Oh yeah.
That was really dumb.
Guys, feel free to leave any game suggestions in the comments. We may try it.
Yeah, we may, because like, you know, we get too many comments every day.
And we just found the
Yellow.
fragment.
Yeah.
We can just
Go to the other house. I bet there's a blue fragment is in the other house. I'll place the yellow one.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is there a blue one here? No.
And Shan is correct. I bet it is. I'll come.
This is
Oh,
no.
there's one ladder. We'll see.
Summer won't be able to climb. Where actually, where is it? I think the blue one's in there.
Oh yeah.
Let me just keep this yellow part there.
What is
Oh, there's
that?
another ladder. Oh, yeah, I found the blue fragment.
Oh,
No
let's
need
go.
to come up.
Just come down now.
Yeah, no need. I already found it.
Alright, so for now, guys, we're finally done with the first task. Let's see where this gun leads us to. For now, I guess we can't really say anything. The starting main mission is kind of bugs, but we can't really be judging. Maybe it's
We
good.
have-
Alright,
yeah,
the door's
the door
unlocked.
open,
Alright,
yeah.
let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my days.
Sorry guys, I'm just coming.
So we have a weapon. I guess we have to fight a monster then.
That was like just a hint.
Alright, so sadly Bobby's the one recording, so he didn't really see the jump scare. That was a good jump scare, a very random jump scare. We'll have to give the game plus points for that because that was a really, really good jump scare, I have to admit.
It just gave us some hint of like what will come next.
The jump scare is the person in the title of this game, like the picture.
Yeah, like they just showed a dead girl, really. Bobby didn't really get to see it. But based on it was really scary after it was not exactly scary, little bit thrilling, but very random.
Unexpected.
Yeah, like I mean, what we thought is like most horror games such as Verity, the game we played before, that the jump scares would start coming after a while. But right now the jump scares just
I
started.
feel like we are going the wrong way. I saw some door there which had like wood on it, so we have to break it. I guess we got the crowbar.
laptop.
We got the crowbar and yeah, I got the option to break some wood right here,
Oh, yeah,
which
yeah.
unlocks a new path for us.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Whoa!
Guys.
So Bob's about recording, we're way ahead of him right now, guys. So you'll have to keep up. So what BSM saw with the jump scare was like really random at the start and a very boring part of the game. Where are you going, bro?
I already.
Oh, guys, it seems the guy recording is a little bit slow, so he needs help.
Guys, please come here. We require another crowbar, and once I used it, I can't use it again.
That happened to all of us somewhere. We went away from all of us.
So there's one more door which we need crowbar.
Hate. Alright, so guys, basically you see this door over here. Well, there was like a jump scare over here. Kind of scary. It was not really that bad, but it was very random. That did scare us a little. So this is way better than Verity. Way better. Let's go. For now, it's way better. Let's go. 1 second.
Okay, so we did unlock a new pathway. Sorry for not showing you guys that. I got kind of lost.
But we need a crowbar to open this. And it looks like we already used.
We could probably find something else to
Yeah,
break
we
down
have
that.
to find something else.
Or there could be another way in which you could go. We have to find a route.
Alright, let's go. What happened?
Yup, there's another way.
There's another way.
I hear some like monster. Oh yeah. I hear
Yeah.
someone screaming, bro. Wait,
Oh,
What happened, Sama?
you hear that?
Yeah, obviously. Alright, so this game is a little bit eerie.
oh,
You can go in.
oh.
Oh, some animations are.
What
It's
else?
a radio. Yo! 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 Straight to the point, it seems. Now it's a weird morning.
We're like in a new world now. Oh,
Whoa.
Yo!
What the hell?
Yo, bro.
oh, he's pointing.
Oh, he's pointing,
Oh,
he's
yeah, he
pointing.
pointed there.
Let's go. Okay.
Alright, so guys, this was a really good game until now.
Wow. Looks
Oh
like
wow, this is like a little backrooms vibe. Oh, we have to find a code.
683.
683.
Alright.
No, there are many codes actually.
Oh, yeah.
Only one
Guys,
code.
just try 683.
One code have
I see 1352.
Let me try.
I'll check that.
You try 352.
Oh, there are only two codes, I guess. No. Yeah, there's one 554.
Okay.
Check 352.
Well, someone's finding that.
Yeah. The next one is 554.
Alright, so guys, this is a really good concept. That jump scare was really good.
Yeah.
Thank God this game. It's a little fast paced. Really random too. So that's good.
This might open the door.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yup, it opened the door. Let's go, guys.
What door, bro?
The door right here.
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh.
It's basically green light, red light.
Red light, green light, some.
Whoa.
Oh, okay, that's not a bad one. That's not a bad one. That's a good one.
That's good.
It's a good one. I see why this game. It's not exactly. It's a really good game. I have to admit. Way better than Verity. I bet right before we reach the terrace to stop.
Okay. Whoa.
Someone.
Whoa.
Alright, guys, it's a really great game until now. The jump scares are really nice. Good lore, it seems. Little weird, but not bad. Very eerie.
Scheme was entertaining too. I like the I liked how the hand, it has a white orb shining through
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. That's a good one. The creativity of the game is really good. The way they made the monsters. And the randomness is like supposed to be a core concept of the game.
This
not bad.
this thing right here reminds me of a level in the back rooms called the pool room.
Yeah, the limited spaces. Yeah, good point, Bob.
Alright.
So, Samarachi, guess what would you like to say?
I would say like I'm feeling a bit like of suspense because I see the hat, which looks like a bit creepy. I want to see the whole monster, which is a good suspense.
He wants to see the whole monster. Yeah, all of us do. It's a great point. And they've escaped.
So, I guess this is supposed to be a little bit of Squid Game, but like, you know. Oh,
Oh.
looks a bit weird.
Whoa. Whoa, run.
Oh, it's like the doors chase.
Yeah.
So guys, this is supposed to be a little bit like the doors chase scene, if you know what I mean. Like this is one specific level in doors where there's this monster called Seek who chases you. So let's see that this game has taken inspiration from doors based on the way the monsters are framed. So that's not bad, that's really good. Nice inspiration. One second.
Okay. This game's difficult.
But it's not a bad game, guys. I admit this is a very nice game. I can see how this could create suspense.
Very long path right here.
Yeah, but for those players, this could be kind of basic. But still, you know, a wave of nostalgia can hit. Not bad.
Things about the monster, it's not that on the face, it's not that scary, but the roar it gave, that was terrifying.
Yeah. It could be a bit repetitive for Doors players because, you know, it's kind of like Doors.
I see a
Door.
door there.
Yeah,
Oh.
we escaped now, escaped.
We escaped.
Whoa.
Scared. You should have these dreams.
What the
come
heck?
true, you
No
know?
way.
You will feel better once everything is over. You will become like us. I'll come back to see you once you're ready.
Alright, so I guess it's supposed to be like a monster taken hostage. It turns out everything was a dream based on what we saw. Alright, so I see we're on a new area now. Oh, I see the monster has imprisoned us, guys. Not bad, not bad. See, like the monster has imprisoned us.
Oh, there's a vent right here.
Oh, now we're gonna have to try and escape, it seems. Oh. Alright, guys, so it seems like the monster had imprisoned. Those are just dreams. That's not a bad concept. That's a really good concept.
I'm feeling like as soon as we get out of this vent, the monster will start hitting us.
That's a good one, yeah.
Yeah.
That's. Oh.
We have to press our button.
I guess we're gonna have to evade a monster while doing this. So let's stick together, guys.
Oh yeah, just crawl on that.
I'm guessing we're gonna have to evade a bunch of monsters while doing all of this, guys. A little bit of Maze Runner type shit. Shit. Yeah, there's a monster, as you all can tell. This is a really good game. Very creepy too. Where are you all at?
Yeah.
I'm with Bobby, I see him.
Find me. Oh! Huh?
What happened?
I died.
How?
The monster jump scared me. I see a button. Oh, I came back alive. Alright, so we're gonna have to evade a monster at the same time, it seems, guys.
Oh, I see.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
that's
Behind you,
good.
behind you. This is where I died. Right, guys, it's a really good concept after a bit. The horror is good.
Why don't you tell us about what killed you? How's the monster?
It was just like, it looked like Seek, but like with a smile. I could.
Oh! It's right behind me.
Yeah, you saw it, yeah. This game seems like it's heavily inspired from Doors. So that's not bad. But it doesn't look like a cheap copy of Doors.
I don't see any more red buttons.
But they sound like a little bit like FNAF 2. So I think we crouch, we can escape. Oh, yes, somebody right
Oh,
there.
right.
Found a paper.
Looks like we have pressed 13 buttons out of 15.
Oh, his name is Fargo.
I don't think monster can come in here.
Yeah, if we crouch, I think that's how we escape.
Just walk past us.
Let's try to find it.
I think I'll distract the monster.
Guys, wrong way.
Oh, I'm distracting it. Oh, wow. Okay.
Did you die?
Oh.
It's okay. Alright guys, so you all just saw a sneak peek of how the monster looks. Not bad. It's a good concept. Looks scary, looks creepy.
Oh, I just got a note, but
Yeah, you can read it in lobby.
how much?
The last two buttons are a little hard to find after. Oh my days!
What the? Oh.
Oh, I died. Oh, and the monster has far range, it seems.
This is difficult and I like it.
Yeah, but it seems a bit repetitive because we're not able to find a single.
Oh no, not again.
Where are the buttons?
Where are these buttons sitting?
Oh, I'm gonna be good. Never mind, I've escaped.
I think oh yeah, I found a vent. But we
That's where we came from
Yeah.
somewhere.
No, I feel like the button will be here only when we shoot the entry, I guess.
No, the objective came when we reached there. I think I know.
I just keep finding.
I found. Oh no, I see. Look, you see it right there.
Yeah.
I found a button.
Found a button.
Yeah, but I cannot click it the monster after.
Oh, even I found
Huh?
one.
Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna.
I pressed a button, guys. Just one button is remaining.
Ishan knows where it is, but the monster is chasing him. Why don't I find
Okay,
it? Oh, I see it. I think I saw it.
Basically,
I saw it.
I pressed one
I got
button,
it.
just one is remaining.
Oh.
Bye, guys. You're all coming down. Come down here for a bit. Come down.
Oh no.
Alright, guys. Not a bad game. Part 2 is coming out soon.
Part 2 will come out soon. Thank you, Summer, for collaborating with us. We are looking to collaborate with more small YouTubers in the future.
Summer. Let's
Thank
go.
you so much for collaborating.
Summer ka subscribe.
Okay, bye.